సో నాకు ఎలా చెప్తారంటే వెండర్ మాస్టర్ డేటా బేసిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ నేను ఎలాగైతే చెప్పానో ఆ విధంగా క్విక్ గా చెప్పేయండి, పర్లేదు. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదనేది నాకు ఇంపార్టెంట్.
ఓకే
ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ పెట్టుకోండి.
ఓకే
నేను పెట్టిన ఏ రోజుకి ఆ రోజు షేర్ చేసిన ఎక్సెల్ షీట్స్ అన్ని కూడా ఒకే ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నారా?
అది అంటే అకౌంట్స్ పేయబుల్ ఒకటి మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నాను అండ్ జిఎల్ కి సంబంధించింది ఇంకొకటి అట్లా మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నాను. అన్ని దాంట్లో సేవ్
ఒకే ఎక్సెల్ లో పక్క
అవి
షీట్ యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ
ఒకే
వెళ్ళండి.
ఎక్సెల్ లో అది యాడ్ చేస్తూ పోతున్నాను.
వర్డ్ షీట్స్ అంటే సపరేట్ షీట్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయండి.
ఓకే
శివకృష్ణ సార్, మీకు ఇదే ప్రాసెస్ ఐడియా ఉంది కదా మీకు? పేమెంట్ టర్మ్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని డిస్కౌంట్స్ వచ్చేవి
చూస్తున్నాను సార్, ఉందండి.
ఫ్రీగా ఉన్నారా ఈరోజు? జాయిన్ అయినట్టున్నారు.
ఆల్రెడీ చేస్తున్నాను సార్, బిల్లింగ్ చేస్తున్నాను, బట్ మొబైల్లో చూస్తున్నాను.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను.
ఓకే, ఇంగ్లీష్ లోనే చెప్పండి.
Okay. Here we have, I'm going to explain accounts payable. In this accounts payable, we have to create, this is a vendor master data. In vendor master data, we have in OBD3. In OBD3 we have we have to create 3 types of vendors. One is domestic vendor and international vendor and one-time vendor. So in 1 second, by using OBD3 we have to create 3 vendors. This domestic vendor is within the country and international vendor is other than India. Other than India, like Germany kind of countries. One-time vendor is like only one time or two time payment. 2 time we have if we purchase raw materials, so then we can go for one time or one time vendor. In so I have already created Wipro one-time vendor, one-time and international vendor and domestic vendor. And next thing, like XKN1. Like 1 second. In XKN1, we have to create a number range for each vendor, and that we need to mention like number range. So number range, it can't be repeated. So we have to provide this domestic vendor. Based on our choice, we have to provide domestic vendor, international vendor, and one-time vendor. We have to create number ranges. So here I have provided the domestic vendor, international and vendor, and one-time vendor. So again, next we have to assign. Next we have to assign the number range to vendor accounts. So we have T code like OBAS. In OBAS, we have to assign the number range, that domestic vendor, international vendor, and one-time vendor to here we have to assign the number ranges to the vendor we have created already. Next, we have reconciliation account. So in this reconciliation account, like 1 second, number ranges up to assignment, we have already assigned the number ranges. So next, vendor creation process. In this vendor creation process, we have XK01. This XK01 we will create again. So here reconciliation account. Reconciliation account means we have already we have like small GL, I mean, nature of vendor, we have created separate GL accounts. So we have to map this separate GL accounts to main GL account. To check the balances, whether it is same or not, whether we've missed any transaction. To check the balance, we have to use this reconciliation account. So by using FS00, we have to we have to create in current liabilities, we have to create domestic vendor, international vendor, and one-time vendor. So for this, like current liabilities, we have to select this reconciliation account G. One second, I'll G067 in create bank or interest. This field status variant, we have to select like G067, and we have to select the short key like 1012 vendor number, vendor number. So next we have to go to OBA3 to create a tolerance group. So OBA3, one second. OBA3. So by using OBA3, we have to create the tolerance group for vendor account. So I have already created the tolerance group. This WT, Wipro tolerance vendor customer. So next thing, we have to assign the tolerance group to customer. Assign this tolerance group. So we have to provide like we have to provide like OBA4. By using this T code, we have to assign this tolerance group. WT vendor customer. So I have already assigned the tolerance group, company code to tolerance group. Next, we have to create a vendor invoice creation. We have to do next thing by using XK01. XK01, by using this T code, we have to create vendor invoice. So
1 minute. XK01 not for vendor invoice, vendor name creation. Like it means vendor master data creation.
Yes. Vendor name creation. Okay. So here we have to. So actually, this is the initial screen. So I have already created the vendor group like Bharati Cements and DMart Provisions. So here in this when
Update account group and click on the enter button.
okay.
Account group, third one. సర్చ్ బార్ లోకి వెళ్ళి
Actually-
ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ చెప్పు. ఏదో ఒకటి
vendor account.
సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి.
Okay. So we
Enter.
have to select this domestic vendor in this account group. So next we give an enter. Here we have to provide this company in this title, and name we have to provide whatever the company, domestic vendor, whatever the vendor you have, I mean, you are going to purchase raw material from the vendor, that vendor name you have to provide here. And address and country, region also we need to select from this. And once we enter all this, click on it. Sorry. Region we have to select like whatever the Andhra Pradesh I'm going to select here. So if we enter, we will get those details. So if the vendor is our customer, then we have to provide this customer account details. So now we know we don't need to provide this customer details, and click on enter. We have to provide this vendor bank details here. So we have to select here country, bank key for each and every bank for like if it is from India, if it is SBI Bank, for all the SBI banks, we have some bank key. So for each and every country, they will have some bank key. So we need to provide the bank key and bank account and account holder. Whatever the vendor we are having, that account holder we have to provide here. And once here we click on enter, we can get the bank details, few more bank details. So there we need to provide like IFSC code and all. So once we click on enter, so here we have to
Once
click
again,
on
meeting
enter.
it will be ended. You can join same link.
Okay. Here it is, we have to provide this